Hello wolves, and welcome to another vlog here at your stock investing channel, number one from the Middle East, fastest growing YouTube channel. Thank you very much for that. Make sure to subscribe and to thumb up this video if you are new. And today we are talking about the top 3 stocks in October to invest in, so stay tuned. So first of all, make sure to thumb up this video so we are getting a lot of more viewers and a lot of more opinions about every vlog that I'm doing almost every single day. Yes, every single day in front of the camera for you guys. So make sure you show some love and thumb up this video. So first stock that we diving into it is one of my favorites, and you know, it's one of the biggest part of my personal portfolio. It's Tesla. So let's run quick through the numbers. So we have a revenue of $21.46 billion last year, a revenue growth if we're just looking into the last quarters, and this will be very interesting what next quarter will be releasing, plus 60%, unbelievable. And value of this company is about 43.55 billion. The last time when we looked into it, I think it was somewhere about 39 billion, so definitely a raise of 10% in market value for all the shareholders since we talked the last time about this company. And the PS ratio is currently at the 1.7 ratio, which is a very fair valuation. And the PE ratio is not yet available because they are not doing any profit, so definitely considered as a growth stock. Now, if you're new to this channel, for sure I am making you some quick intro into Tesla. I believe that the electro market for cars will be growing over the years, and that, you know, it will take chunks of the usual automotive market. Definitely we see like companies like Daimler cutting the further development of internal combustion engines, which is, you know, a good step into a electrified automotive industry. So, but not only that, I believe Tesla is doing many things right, and they just acquired a Maxwell battery company. They acquired this Deep Scale company. It's an autonomous software development company. So they are taking all this tech that is useful for other companies out of the market. So very smart moves over there, and integrate this into their car fleets only. Moreover, this October, and this is why also there's a big buy from my side for Tesla, it seems that the China Gigafactory will start to operate already as early as 14th of October. So they will roll out more Model 3s out there, and this will obviously help to grow turnover for this company and hopefully make this company profit sometimes Q4, I believe, because many people say, hey, so many cars delivered in this quarter and they should be maybe a profit. No, the management said in the quarter calls and earning calls before that Q3 still will be a plus minus quarter, so don't expect too much, and be aware that there's a lot of valuation volatility during earnings for Tesla. It's like a roller coaster, so make sure either go out of the stock or just secure yourself with different financial products. Otherwise, you know, just stay in. If you're for the long term, you don't care about this fluctuation of plus minus 5%. So this was it for Tesla. Let's jump into the next one, and this is a Chinese stock. So the next stock is Kudi, and I spoke also about this stock before because they are into the consumer financial business in China. So they are providing micro lending services, so they're giving small credits. If you want to buy something small on Alibaba and so on, they providing you a small credit for a couple of months or weeks. And this stock, believe me or not, is so cheap and grow so fast, then it would be a sin to not to try out this investment. Even maybe it then doesn't work out it would be very, very bad to not invest into this stock, or consider even to invest in this stock, even in a very small position as I'm doing, only like 1-2% of my portfolio putting into a Kudi, because you never know. There's the new turmoil about trade war and US cap on investments into Chinese companies. There's even rumors that all the Chinese companies get delisted and so on. Lot of rumors on the market, but this can be maybe a good buying opportunity now in this month. That's why I'm recommending it again in October. But let's dive into the stock. So the stock, or the company Kudi, is making about 1.12 billion US dollars revenue last year. They are growing about more than 50%, 53% to be precise in revenue. This is ridiculous. This is a huge growth opportunity. And again, if you are looking into the value, it's about $2 billion. So the PS ratio is not even 2, it's 1.83. So they making about this revenue how much they are worth, and a PE ratio of just 6.36. Guys, please make sure to just look into this, because this is so cheap and so much growing. This company will not stop to grow tomorrow. Maybe they will decline to grow, but they will not stop to grow tomorrow. And I believe there is future in the business model. There's a lot of middle class coming up into China that using the services. And also one very important news that just came out recently, they announced a $195 million share buyback program. That means they want to buy back approximately 20 or 18% of the company shares outstanding. So this should definitely give the push to the stock more and more. And as I said, the company will grow. So the company will grow like, let's say 50, 40, 30% over the next 1-2 years. Plus they will buy 20% out of the outstanding shares. This can just, I think there's just one direction this stock can go, So let's look into the last stock in this series. And another stock in the automotive industry that I just stumbled on because I make a video of dividend stocks, and this is like you scan the stock market every day for new opportunities. Opportunities change, opportunities develop. There's news coming up. There's news that you don't follow, and suddenly jumps into your eyes. So this stock, I know this stock obviously for a very, very long time, but I put it to the side because I didn't know what will happen with the diesel scandal in Germany. But it seems like it's clear how much they have to pay, and they pay partly already, and they put money to the side to pay exactly this kind of things to the government. And this company, by the numbers and by the product, looks very, very good. We are talking about Daimler, the German premium car manufacturer, and they are doing a revenue of 167 billion euros, which is huge, revenue growth for 2019 expected of 2.2. So they are saturated, let's say, in the internal combustion engine market for trucks, vans, family cars, luxury cars, and so on. So their value currently on the stock market is $47 billion. So just to remind you, they are worth 47 billion euro, okay, and they are making 167 billion in sales. So they make the triple amount of sales how much they are worth. So I believe, just about this kind of numbers making me really crazy that this is so much undervalued. But don't stop over there, it's getting better. So we have a PE ratio of 6.5, so also ridiculous cheap, and a dividend yield of 7%, guys. So let's imagine the following, okay? So let's assume you put $1 million into the stock, and the stock doesn't move a bit up and down at all, okay? What happened last year, for example. You will get 7% on your money. This means $70,000 per year. you know, this is more than you can live on if you live decently, let's say. So very, very interesting thing. And also one of the most important things for this stock is they announced to go full electric. And as the inventor of internal combustion engines, I believe this is a huge step, and the right step in the right direction. They make beautiful cars. If they can combine it to make beautiful, affordable, premium, electrified cars made in Germany for the market, they will have a big market chunk, and they can grow into the growing market and further develop into this future. They have a great marketing, they had great products, great history, great stock. Look into it. So thank you very much. Let me know which of these three stocks you like most. Come back tomorrow, because I am vlogging every day. What I will vlog about tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we don't know, so maybe you should subscribe. So hit this button. Thank you very much. Peace.